Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make churros without butter. Heat water, sugar, salt, and neutral oil until simmering, then stir and flour off heat to form a smooth dough. Transfer to a piping bag, pipe into 350 degrees F oil, and fry in small batches until golden and evenly cooked. Roll warm churros in cinnamon sugar, serve with chocolate or dulce de leche, and enjoy a buttery-free treat with crisp edges and soft centers. Start by measuring water, oil, sugar, salt, and flour accurately for consistent results. Bring the liquid to a simmer, then add flour and stir vigorously until the dough pulls away from the pan. Let the dough cool slightly so eggs or any additions won't scramble, then pipe into hot oil with steady pressure for even lengths. Fry until golden, drain briefly, and toss in cinnamon sugar for traditional flavor. If this is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker to set a fun rhythm while you fry. It pairs perfectly with cinnamon and frying sounds. I find it makes the kitchen feel cozier, and hands-free timers are a bonus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep a thermometer handy and maintain oil at about 350 degrees F for crisp exteriors and tender interiors. Fry churros in small batches, turning once, until both sides are golden and puffed, then drain on paper towels to remove excess oil. Roll while warm in cinnamon sugar for maximum adhesion, and offer dipping sauces like melted chocolate or dulce de leche. Enjoy fresh churros immediately for the best texture and flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.